autoimmune treatments for cancer are amazing. I mean, ladies and gentlemen, if you have, it's interesting. The left loves to attack these big pharma people, and I'm only saying this now to establish bona fides. Like, I have no dog in this fight. I didn't come into this vaccine fight against Pfizer or anyone else because I had some pre-existing gripe of the big flu. I don't get into it. I base my commentary on science, facts, and reason. That's all that matters to me. All these people that criticize, think about people with HIV, which was a death sentence leading to acquired immune deficiency syndrome and death, in some cases months, and it was a horrible death. You have people now who can live undetectable with this for decades. That's due to pharma. So I'm not throwing the baby out with the bathwater. I didn't come in this with any pre-existing bias towards anyone. My anger at these companies over the vaccine is grounded in the fact that I just don't believe they're telling us the truth anymore. And big government, which I've never trusted, and you should never, incentive for them to do the right thing ever. They use other people's money to pay other people, as Milton Friedman said. Therefore, they don't care about the cost or the quality of anything. It's not their money, and they're not even buying anything for themselves. So they don't care about the cost or the quality, including vaccines. This is why I'm so angry at what's going on with them. Dan Horowitz, conservative review. 12 new safety signals showing devastating dangers from COVID. I can't go through all 12. I just picked 2. They're all along the same vein. Myocarditis, side effects, bullet points in this article, which you can read in my newsletter today. If you want to check it out, go now. Right there. Here's bullet point number 3. 0 of the 11,779 COVID hospitalizations in New South Wales were unvaccinated. Get a load of this. According to NSW Health, which breaks down COVID hospitalizations and deaths by cohorts at various levels and various levels of vaccination, for the 2 weeks ending December 31st, 2022, not a single COVID hospitalization or ICU admission be fully unvaccinated. Now, I need a favor from you. Watch my podcast today on Rumble. The visual element is in there. And fast forward, you don't watch the whole show. A lot of it's going to be uneven. But there's a chart. In that chart, you are going to see some staggering numbers. The people in the hospital who were unvaccinated did not take the COVID vaccine. There because of COVID. You know how many there were? 0. And then I want you to go up the chart, and you'll see 1 shot, this many. People who took 2 shots, oh, there's more. People who took 3 shots, oh, there's that. People who took 4 shots, oh, there's even more than that. Now again, I don't get out ahead of my skis. I really mean causation. Folks, if I was a journalist who had my head screwed on straight, not my head up the Democrat Party ass, I'd be looking at those numbers going, my gosh, there's something going on here. That's just one data point from Dan Horowitz's piece. We're going to get him on next week to talk about this. We were stacked up today. Congressman Boulevard on today. Here's another one. Point number 4 in this piece about the vaccine. The FDA admits there's massive elevated risk for heart attacks, blood clots, and pulmonary emboli. FDA researchers published the results of a massive observational study of 30.7 million Medicare patients in 2021. They found that people who took the shot found that the shots increased the risk of pulmonary embolism by 54%, acute myocardial infarction by 42%, blood clotting by 91%, and platelet disorder by 44%. They claim this is an early warning signal and downplay the results, but they harmonize with many other survey studies reporting an understanding of the shot's mechanism of action. Tell us the damn truth. Just tell us the truth. I have repeatedly on my podcast and my Fox show asked people behind me, whether it's Pfizer, whether it's Moderna, whether it's J&J, whoever it may be, use this technology or other. The mRNA wasn't the only technology in this vaccine. together and figure out a way to come clean. Somebody is not telling us the truth. People aren't stupid, ladies and gentlemen. They put their trust in a government at this point that clearly betrayed them and did not give them the full picture of the scope of risk this virus presented, along with the scope of risk this vaccine presented to the people. They were not tell us damn truth. You're not going to be able to hide this stuff forever. And it's only going to get uglier, the penalty over time, as people lose faith in you completely. Any shred faith they may have had in listening to public health authorities.